Welcome back to our channel, Cybersecurity Experts 1337. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content on cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and all things tech. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, steganography. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or just curious, this video is for you. Steganography is the art and science of hiding information within other, seemingly innocuous data. Unlike encryption, which makes a message unreadable without a key, steganography hides the very existence of the message. What is steganography? So, what exactly is steganography? It's a technique that's been around for centuries. The term comes from Greek words meaning covered writing. Let's look at a few examples. One of the earliest examples of steganography dates back to ancient Greece. Messages were written on wooden tablets, then covered with wax to appear blank. During World War II, invisible ink and microdots were popular methods for covert communication. Today, steganography has gone digital. For instance, you can hide a secret message inside an image, video, or even an audio file. Let me show you how this works. How does digital steganography work? Here's a simple example. Imagine you want to hide a message inside an image. Digital images are made up of pixels, and each pixel has a color value represented in binary. By slightly modifying these values, say changing a 1 to a 0, you can embed your message without altering the image visibly. Tools like OpenPuff or Steganography make this process easy. You select a carrier file, add your secret message, and let the software do the rest. But remember, subtlety is key. Large changes can make the hidden data obvious. Now you might be wondering, what is this used for? Here are some common applications of steganography. 1. Secure communication, sharing sensitive information discreetly. 2. Watermarking, protecting intellectual property by embedding invisible marks in images or videos. 3. Digital forensics, hiding clues or evidence in investigations. Fun fact: cybercriminals have also used steganography to hide malware in seemingly innocent files. This is why understanding it is so important. Of course, steganography isn't foolproof. It has its limitations. Detection tools. Advanced software can identify hidden data patterns. File size embedding large messages can significantly increase file size, making it suspicious. Not a substitute for encryption. It's best used alongside encryption for maximum security. Before we wrap up, remember, steganography should always be used ethically and legally. Misusing it can lead to serious consequences, and that's a beginner's guide to steganography. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep learning.